I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a mini Temu haul. So if you recall from one of my recent Get Ready With Me's, I mentioned that I had placed a Temu haul the endings of January, and I did not receive my package until like the 19th. And the reason that I was kind of freaking out was because of my boyfriend's Valentine's gift was included in this haul. So he finally got those products. He really loved them. So yes, it finally came in, I think like 3 days after Valentine's, but it was still okay. It's fine as long as everything came in and I finally got to give him the rest of his gift. So I just wanted to share with you guys this mini haul. It's like really mini. We're going to be doing a massive Temu haul soon. I just have to see like what products I need to place and what's going on. I haven't really been on there as of lately because this took so long to come in. I'm a little traumatized. We're going to see it when that next video is. I will have to do a full face soon using some of the products that I purchased today. Honestly, not a lot of makeup. But if you guys want to see the products that I picked up in this Temu haul, just keep on watching. I also do have a playlist, which is going to be down below, where I used to do full faces, hauls, and ranking videos. So we're going to have to get back into that as well. So if you want to see the products that I have here, just keep on watching. Start off with Bratz. As of lately, they've been adding so many Brat products. Now, I'm not trusting of their clothing anymore, girl. I had a whole situation with Chris's shirt that I purchased for his Valentine's gift. Girl, it's not great. But, you know, other stuff works out great. I would just be weary of their clothing. Sometimes it's a hit, but sometimes it's a miss, girl. And this time with his gift was a really big miss. They have been adding Brat things on there, so I'm like really hesitant. I'm not like purchasing every single Brat product now. I just kind of see like the products that I may use, the products I won't. I just kind of like leave there. They have a lot of portraits, as you know, t-shirts and all this stuff. Now, so I did come across these nail stickers, and these are the 3D nail design stickers. Honestly, I'm not gonna use them on my nails, but just to like put around like on my phone, or I don't know, wherever I want like a mini Brat sticker, that's where I'm gonna use it. And there's a look at those. So cute. I did buy a 2-pack. So we have the first one, which is like their slumber party Bratz moment, and then the back is just like the regular like Brat pictures that they have everywhere. So these did come separately. I just kind of squished them in this same like packaging so I don't lose them. So yeah, I thought this was so cute, so I went ahead and bought 2 of the Brat sticker sheets, and these are a little expensive. I think each sheet was like $2 or something, or maybe 3, I don't know. But I'm gonna have everything down below, names and prices, so if you want to see those as well as the links. But so cute. Another like car sticker. Again, I don't think I'm gonna use this on my car, but I just wanted it. So cute. Now, a lot of times if you don't really look at the pictures on the website, you know, you kind of get what you pay for, in the sense that this was really cheap, but I didn't really look at the picture all too well, and these are a little pixelated. You know, the Brats don't look as clear as I want them to, but again, this is going to be just like a cute little notebook moment. I'm gonna stick it somewhere. I don't think I would stick this on my car, girl. I'm just like not a fan of how they look up close and personal, but it's a really cute sticker, and I'm glad I purchased it, because sometimes it looks a certain way and then when it comes in, it's completely different. But then when you go back on the picture, it literally is what you paid for. So yeah, definitely investigate the images. Okay, I've been burned a couple times. These I was pleasantly surprised with. I do want to purchase the jade one, because I think that's the only one that I'm missing. But I came across these baby Brat things. I don't know what they are. They're like little like ornament style car accessory moment, and they're the baby Brats, and they just look so cute. So I was really pleasantly surprised by these. They come with a little string. So we have this one here for Sasha. And who are you, friend? I don't know who this is. Girl, I'm like horrible with names. We also have this one here. How cute is that? I think that's Jasmine, right? And then we have Chloe. How cute are these? And they're like pretty like hard plastic vibes. I wasn't sure what I was gonna get with these because nobody has posted any types of reviews. I also did purchase jewelry in this haul, which I was supposed to be wearing my silver S necklace. It literally broke. I was wearing it and the S just like fell to the floor because I don't think the chain was strong enough to hold the letter. So really disappointed by that. I also did buy another bubble gold S necklace because my last one also broke. So it's just like be careful with the jewelry as well. I also did purchase a bubble Virgo sign necklace as well. So I did buy a couple of jewelry pieces. Really disappointed by the necklace. I was really excited to finally wear it, but it is what it is. These are really cute. I don't know if I'm gonna display them in my car or what, but honestly, if not, I'm just gonna place them somewhere in my background because these are too cute. They go with the aesthetic, they go with the vibes, and they're honestly really good quality. It's like that hard plastic. They're not thick at all. They're like a very thin kind of moment and so cute. So these are making me want to find those like baby brats at the stores. I keep seeing that people are like finding them at like Ross and stuff. So I want a baby brat. So we'll see where we put her, and we'll see who I get. But yeah, these are so cute. Definitely recommend. Again, I am missing one of them. They didn't add it until later on, but yay, these are so cute. The nails that I'm wearing today are actually from the same haul, and these are some pink like holographic kind of nails where they look like dark, but then they're like shimmery. I don't know what they're called. It's like the ones where you shift and they like change. I don't know, but they're like been really popular throughout these years. And I got these here, and these actually didn't come in a regular like pack of nails. They came in like the ones where you select a size, so you can get like small, medium, large. I think I ended up getting medium. I'm gonna have it down below, but I really am living for the color, and the actual like size is not too bad as well. I think these are the long nails, if I'm not mistaken. These are so cute. So these are some that I purchased. Also, I was waiting for these nails for Valentine's. I was like holding off. I was like, I purchased red nails on Temu. I'm not gonna buy more. It's just like sometimes I get that vibe where I want to put red nails on. So now I have them finally after like a long time. Here's a look at those press-ons. Living. I don't really own a lot of red press-on nails. So I was like, girl, I need some. So I went ahead and picked these up. I haven't tried them out, but they do come with 2 little like packs of the nails. They come with the nail file. Yeah. And that's it. But yeah, I needed some red nails. And then lastly for nails, I also picked up these pink ones. I was debating which ones I wanted to wear. These are the IMABC do-it-yourself press-on nails. And these are just pink, and they're like a, what size? Like medium size nail. It's like a beautiful style. And again, I just got it because they're pink. So again, it's like my favorite color is pink, but I don't own a lot of pink nails. So I wanted to try these out, and if I find a winner, I'm definitely gonna keep purchasing them. So far so good with the nails that I'm wearing, but these I cannot wait to try on. I just love the color. It's like the perfect shade of pink. Before we get into sparkly fun things, let's talk about the makeup products that I picked up. I went ahead and repurchased this, which I already have in my collection. It's just like kind of old. This is the CMAADU remover pen, and this is basically a marker to remove your makeup mistakes. Whenever I don't do my eyeliner the way I want, if I want to make it more sharp, this is what I use. Basically just a like clear product. I think it has like makeup remover at the tip, and then it just helps you clean up your makeup. Basically, it's just really good to have whenever those days where everything goes awry. You just have that like savior. You can use like a makeup towel. I do that sometimes, or I just use like a makeup remover wipe or whatever, and then use my nail to be precise. But this is just like a far more, I don't know, like it's just easier to have. So this is what I have, and this is the one that I've been purchasing off the website. You get 3 little extra ones at the top, and then you get one inside, and it's just like an angled marker almost, and then you just use it to clean up your makeup mistakes. So I really love this. This is what I've been using, and that's what I have in my collection right now. However, that one's like really old. So I think these two came in a set together. These are the Lake Rain products. This is the Jelly Dew Primer. And I saw this, I was like, girl, it's in the shade 02 Peach. You see how it's like giving e.l.f., it's giving gripping primer vibes. So I went ahead and picked this up. Again, Jelly Dew Primer. We're gonna see how this works. And then I also came along with the mattifying waterproof setting spray, which I just filmed my empties video. So this is supposed to be a lookalike or alleged dupe of the One Size Until Dawn setting spray, which I literally just talked about in my empties video. But just look at that, how cute. And again, I think these came in a set together, so we're gonna go ahead and use these in a get ready with me soon. But they look so cute. Living for that. I cannot wait to try more makeup from Temu. You guys know I was obsessed for a while. I don't know what happened, Just look at the spray. Cannot wait to use these products on the face and see my thoughts. Let's move on to the last section, which is going to be sparkly pink things. So I came across this. I don't know if I'm actually going to use this, to be honest. It looked cuter online, but it's basically a lanyard with a little like phone holder, and the phone holder itself is pink and sparkly and bedazzled. So you just like put your phone on here and it just hangs from your neck. So this is not for like everyday use, obviously. This is for like when I go on cruises, or I don't know, that's like basically what I got it for. Or if I'm like going to the store, I don't know, like I wouldn't use it for the store either. I don't know, just to have my phone on hand, this is a good product. So we're gonna see how this works, when I'm gonna use it, what's happening, and I'll let you guys know if it works for me. But it comes with this, and it comes with that extremely long lanyard, just like weirdly long. So yeah, but I'm living for the pink bedazzled moment. So this originally says that it's a cigar case. Honestly, I'm gonna use it for like gum or something else. I don't know, obviously I don't smoke. So this is a bedazzled little case, and it is so beautiful. I have to do a little video with flash on these products because they're stunning, and it's just not doing it justice, but it's just really cute. Now the only thing is you can feel like the glue, like on the side here, you can feel like where the glue is. So I have a feeling this is gonna peel soon, but it just looks really cute for my purse. I can pop some like gum in here or something. We'll see how it works. There's a look at the inside, and again, gum or toothpicks or ear swabs or something random, I don't know, but you get quite a bit of space in here. So I went ahead and picked this up, and it looks so cute. Last product, girl, I don't know what's going on over there at Temu, because in the image that they show, these two products are literally the same color because they go together. They came together. So I was like, okay, girl, it's gonna be so cute. They are two different shades of pink, which I thought was interesting. Whatever. But this is basically a little bedazzled notebook and pen moment. So it came with this pen, which is again bedazzled. It's gem, has a bunch of gems on it, so beautiful. And then it comes with this little notebook, which is also bedazzled, again different shade of pink, but it's really cute. Now the only thing with the notebook, you can feel again the glue, like it feels like it's gonna peel soon as well. I don't know how to explain that. Like if you know like bedazzled things, it just feels like, you know, like it's not gonna last. So the notebook's like whatever vibes, but it's still a really beautiful shade of pink. I much prefer if the notebook was the same color as a pen. Love me a hot pink moment. But I think this is so cute. You know, you can never use enough notebooks. You guys know I have a lot of notebooks. I love them. So I thought this was so cute, and it's a perfect size to put in my purse for my affirmations or whatever. So this is adorable and living. I just don't love that they don't match, but still cute. I have confirmed the pen works. Okay, cute. And with that, that was the last product in today's haul. I did tell you guys it was short. I'm kind of sad that it's over, but again, we're gonna have to do another Temu haul soon. Leave me some recommendations. What should I pick up? What's going on? What have you tried from Temu lately that you want me to pick up? Again, the makeup products, we're gonna be using those products in a full face really, really soon, I promise. I just need to get my stuff together, you know, and plan it out and see what's going on. But that was the last product. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out my Temu playlist, which is gonna be down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.